with immense disapproval from my bank account. I actually really like. Welcome to my channel. My name is Irena and these are the French curls. I recover my hair from hair loss as a result of an autoimmune disorder called Graves' disease. In this channel we are recovering our hair and our curls together for better, fuller hair. In today's video I will be washing half my hair with Olaplex and the other half with Aveda's Botanical Repair Line. Without further ado, let's get right into it. I have to admit that with immense disapproval from my bank account, I actually really like Aveda products. In fact, the Aveda Botanical Coil Definer Gel has become one of my favorite gels of all times. But today we are going to be using the Botanical Repair Line. I've also loved Olaplex for so long now. I've recently fallen in love with their new number 5 leave-in conditioner. Mwah! Can't get enough of it. Their number 3 hair perfector is my favorite bond repair treatment and the one that I always recommend to people to invest on. When used correctly, it will bring your hair back to life.
But hair is dead?
Well, yeah, okay. Seemingly, it brings your hair back to life. For this side, I've got the Aveda Botanical Repair shampoo, the hair mask, the bond building flash treatment, and for styling I have the Botanical Repair styling cream. For the Olaplex side, I have the shampoo, the number 3 hair perfector, the hair mask, and for styling, the number 6 Bond Smoother styling treatment. Both set of products promise to repair the bonds of your hair. Of course, we do know that Olaplex have their patented ingredient, and Aveda uses a blend of botanical ingredients to repair bonds. They do repair different bonds though. Aveda repairs hydrogen bonds, whilst Olaplex claim to repair disulfide bonds. Both styling products promise to repair your hair, to act as heat protectants, to add moisture, to smooth your hair, and fight frizz. Those are bold claims, and I want to put the frizz-fighting promises of these two products to the test by only styling with them.
Wait, what about gel?
Nope.
Or mousse? Or foam?
Nope. We are daring it, and we are putting these frizz-fighting claims to the ultimate test. Wish me luck. I have divided my hair into 2 sections, the Aveda side and the Olaplex side, and each section I have divided into smaller sections to make my styling process a little bit easier. I'm going to be defining both sides of my hair with my bounce curl edge lift defining brush. I still want my hair to be evenly wet. Like with most products that I use, I'm going to be raking it in my hair before brush styling it. And then on the other side, I think it's about right. It is a little bit harder without a pump to always rely on the amount of products that you're putting on. I prefer products with a pump, but these old style products will do as well. And this is me after diffusing. I think the Aveda side, it is much well-defined. The Olaplex side is much softer. Felt that I was able to retain moisture better whilst I was styling it than the Aveda side. Of course, they are both repairing different bonds.
Products.
Shampoo is not something that you leave on your hair like you would do hair perfector or even a hair mask. So really, how much repairing can a shampoo do to your hair? I am not saying that shampoo does nothing to your hair. In my opinion, it is one of the most important steps, and it is one of the things that have been responsible for my hair recovery from hair loss. I think a good shampoo will definitely change the health of your skin. We often forget that scalp is your skin. I strongly believe that you should choose a shampoo based on your scalp needs more than your hair needs. Having said that, if I was going to judge something about these shampoos, I love the Olaplex shampoo. I think it's a really nice shampoo for every now and then, but I do think that it leaves too much residue on my hair. That is not too much of a problem because I have dry hair, high porosity hair, bleached hair. But when I was going through the worst part of my hair loss, this is definitely not something that I would have used because my scalp wouldn't be properly cleansed. So if you are going through hair loss yourself, this might not be something to use on a weekly basis. If you have fine hair, I really think this will weigh your hair down. This shampoo, it feels much more like a proper shampoo. Cleanses your scalp beautifully, cleanses your hair beautifully without stripping your hair of moisture or without making your hair feel squeaky clean. This shampoo will be a lot friendlier for any hair type and not weigh your hair down. So if I was to pick a winner of these two shampoos, I would definitely say it's the Aveda. This, if I was going to pick a winner, it will definitely be the Olaplex number 3. It's not only much cheaper, I mean the price of this is absolutely insane. Not only for the amount of product that you get, but for the results you get, it's a huge no from me. When it comes to the hair mask, it's a really nice hair mask. It detangles your hair easily, but I don't think it's the greatest hair mask. I think Aveda has better, but it still is a really nice mask. The Olaplex number 8 mask is a great product. I mean, even this small amount will last me for quite a bit because you only need a small amount and it will be enough to coat your hair, to detangle your hair, and to just make your hair feel soft and really happy. It is a great mask. The styling creams, I feel that I have more volume and more definition on this side. The real test is to see how it ages, because if I can get 3 days out of this, then I will be a huge winner. We'll see how it goes. Both sides have some frizz, but I was expecting that. No product to hold my curls in place. I don't think I'm going to have the craziest longevity out of this, but I really want to see how it looks tomorrow. Tomorrow I will be reporting back, so I'll see you tomorrow. Welcome to day 2. I did my unboxing on Instagram and TikTok. If you're not following me there, make sure you do. I will leave my pages link down below, as well as all the products that I have used on this video. Just to remember, this is the Olaplex side and this is the Aveda side. The Olaplex side has held on much better to its promises of frizz control and smooth hair. Both sides are really nice and soft and they have a lot of movement. There is less frizz and there is still quite a bit of definition. The Aveda side has more frizz. The definition has fallen a little bit more. I think I'm going to conclude that Olaplex has won this battle. The Olaplex side was able to retain much more moisture and much more hydration. If I was going to build my bond repair wash from these two lines, I would definitely go for the Aveda shampoo, the number 3 hair perfector, the Olaplex mask, and the number 6. Please make sure you like and subscribe and that you share my channel with a friend so that we can reach more people together. This is all I have for you today, and I will definitely see you in my next one. Bye bye, guys.